20-minute discipline. How to build discipline in 20 minutes a day. A daily framework for building unstoppable momentum. The truth is, you don't need more time. You need a standard. Consistency comes from repeatable actions, not endless hours. Most people fail because they try to do too much. Then they quit. The solution isn't complexity. It's commitment to one simple daily framework. You need a standard, not motivation, not inspiration. A standard. Something you can execute regardless of how you feel. Something that works when you're tired, distracted, or unmotivated. The 20-minute OBL template is that standard. Obey. Hard thing first. 5 minutes. Do the hard thing first. Before excuses arrive. Before distractions multiply. The thing you've been avoiding. The uncomfortable call. The difficult decision. Handle it now. Build. Create the asset. 10 minutes. Create a small asset that compounds over time. Write content that attracts attention. Develop a skill that increases your value. Build a system that generates results. Small daily investments. Exponential long-term returns. Lead. Help one person. 5 minutes. Share value with one person. Answer a question. Offer guidance. Provide encouragement. Leadership isn't about scale. It's about impact. One person, one moment, one act of service. Small proof daily. Every single day. That's the entire framework. That's it. 20 minutes, 3 actions. No elaborate systems, no complicated tracking. Just consistent execution that builds undeniable evidence of progress. Small proof compounding into major transformation. If you want 14 days of structure like this, the OBL Reset is live. The OBL Reset provides daily accountability, specific prompts, and a community executing alongside of you. Understand that execution turns principles into wealth. Ideas without action remain worthless. Principles without execution produce nothing. 20 minutes of daily discipline transforms concepts into capital, theory into results, intentions into reality. Obey, build, lead. Your 20-minute daily standard starts now. Execution turns principles into wealth.